Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And as we know, wintertime is snow time. In our video today, we're going to take a look at the 6 best snow shovels for clearing driveways and sidewalks. Keep watching to find out what we pick as our favorite. At the top of our list is number 1, True Temper 164-1200 Aluminum Snow Shovel. The True Temper is made with alloy steel and aluminum. It weighs 5 pounds, and it comes with an 18-inch aluminum blade and handle. Despite its light weight, this shovel is sturdy and durable. It's equipped with an ergonomic steel handle to prevent your back from strain and fatigue. The handle is an oversized D-grip for a comfortable grip while wearing gloves. The blade is shaped to push snow or shovel it on driveways and sidewalks. This shovel doesn't break easily, as it's made to last a long time. The True Temper is bowed to ensure that snow doesn't fall off from the side. Number 2. Soto Stealth XL Shovel. This shovel is both durable and practical in removing snow from sidewalks and driveways. It's designed to scoop snow in large quantities without sliding off. The snow shovel is also made to fold up and fit into any space. It does a wonderful job as it's made with solid steel materials. It's ideal for home use, and you can use it for traveling as it breaks down and assembles easily. The teeth at the front of the shovel do a great job of breaking up snow. This shovel, however, does not come with a packing bag. On the flip side, it is made to withstand 3,800 pounds of force. Number 3. Snowjoe SJ SHL VOI Red. This snow shovel is made to last with an impact-resistant blade. It's equipped with a spring assist handle that acts as a pivot. This design enables one to change the mechanics of shoveling to reduce back strain. The ergonomic handle reduces the need to bend, helping you maintain posture while shoveling. This shovel is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It makes lifting easier and faster on all surfaces. Please look out for the red version of the Snowjoe snow shovel, as it is much more durable and sturdy. Number 4. Garand APS22 Poly Sleigh Snow Shovel. The Garand APS22 is made with the highly durable alloy steel material. This version comes with a 22-inch handle that's easy to maneuver. This is a large shovel compared to other types, and it comes assembled. This sleigh shovel halves the time required to clean up your driveway and sidewalks, and the snow doesn't fall off during shoveling. It is 4.14 kilograms heavy and 22 inches long. Whether you're in your early 20s or your late 60s, this shovel will make it easy for you to push snow without strain. This shovel doesn't care whether the snow was a light downpour or a crazy storm. It does all of the work with outstanding ease and comfort. Number 5. Snowplow 50536 Snow Pusher. This shovel is made of fiberglass material and has an ergonomic grip. It's ideal for driveways and sidewalks and any other snow yard work. The Snowplow 50536 comes with a variety of wide blades to push as much snow in a single motion as possible. The oversized D-style grip makes it easy to use while wearing gloves. The blade sides are used to cut packed snow or to chip away at ice for easy shoveling. This shovel is gentle on surfaces, including concrete, decks, and roofs. It's sturdy, easy to assemble, and friendly on your back. The handles come in different sizes to suit your property's demands. Number 6. Treyzone Snow Shovel. This is a practical snow shovel for your day-to-day winter shoveling. It's easily portable and easy to fold when you want to store it and transport it. It's designed with heavy-duty metal, and it comes with a retractable, ergonometric handle. It will give you a large capacity and durable scoop thanks to its bow-shaped blade. The curvy design is specifically made for sidewalks. The Treyzone is neither too small nor too bulky. It's just the right size for optimal snow removal. The handle is made with a foam grip to avert any slipping, and it comes with a 3-year guarantee. It's worth your time and money, this one. Our pick. As always, it comes down to picking just one of the great products above. Today, our favorite shovel is the Garand APS22 Sleigh Snow Pusher. It's durable and it's the fastest among them all. Hey, that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments box below. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time.